cities, wanting a lot more. So tell us how you're planning to make things even more exciting this year.
I think firstly I just want to start by thanking Royal Stag Boombox for always making me a part of this amazing platform every year, and we've done some exciting things in the past few years, and I think this year is also going to be magical in its own way. We're visiting a bunch of cities जहाँ पे perform करने वाले हैं, and I also have a really cool track with Ikka Paji, which is one of my favorites that I've done in the last 1 year, and I hope that comes out. Maybe it will come out soon. But yeah, it's really amazing to see such amazing musicians come together on one stage. It does not matter which genre we belong from. It's the fact that we are all here together and we are fusing our own magic together and making it all possible for Royal Stag Boombox. I'm very excited.
Thank you, Arman. What a great lineup. Now, Amit, you were part of the inaugural season of Royal Stag Boombox when you created Magic in Mohabbat, right? Now that you're returning to season 3, what can the audience expect this time around?
Yeah, actually, I would like to say the similar thing what Arman said. First of all, thank you Royal Stag Boombox for actually thinking about me and having me here, and again getting me on board for something so magical and amazing. My collaboration last was with this amazing rapper. Slow Cheetah. He had texted me today morning and I forgot his name. I'm so sorry. Shit. Slow Cheetah. It just blanked out. I'm sorry. Slow, wherever you are, I love you. I just blanked out. So it was an amazing experience working with him. I had known him as an actor first, and a lot of films he's acted. I did not know that he's such a good rapper too. And to collaborate with an actor rapper, it was really special for me. And I'm looking forward for more. And I'm hoping that with Royal Stag we continue this journey. Royal Stag Boombox, we continue this journey ahead. And looking forward to these amazing performances that we'll be doing very soon in different cities.
Yes, a lot more collaborations coming up. Neeti, you seem comfortable crossing over genres, but how does Royal Stag Boombox as a platform offer you the opportunities to collaborate with more artists across more categories?
Firstly, good evening everyone. It's such a pleasure to be part of this wonderful and talented lineup, and happy Makar Sankranti to everybody. It's always nice. This is my season 3 for Royal Stag Boombox, and last 2 times I got to collaborate with amazing hip-hop artists EPR and Panther, and I'm so happy that melody meets hip-hop is actually happening at Boombox, Royal Stag Boombox. So this is a wonderful opportunity for any artist to create a new sound, the kind of songs that only we would wish to create, but they sometimes do not get to be part of film soundtracks. So it's very exciting to be part of Royal Stag Boombox, and I'm very happy, looking forward to performing and connecting with the youth. This is what it is about, this property.
Absolutely. Royal Stag Boombox is all about the high energy, and Nikita, you've always been known for your electrifying performances. What can fans expect from your set this time around?
I like that. Good evening, everybody. I think Arman, Amit, and Neeti have already done the greeting, the formal stuff, and actually I was going to say same answer, but different question. So I'm actually very excited to be again. This is my 3rd season. I've been part of all 3 seasons, and it's so exciting for me to explore myself as an artist through Royal Stag, because Royal Stag Boombox is always like, okay, you're going to be performing again. So then I'm also thinking, how do I make my show more interesting? Of course, I'm performing in new cities this year round. But more than the performance, it's exciting for me to write music with other artists. I love that because people experience me as a playback singer more. And it's so exciting for me to write music, especially because I myself I listen to a lot more hip hop than I do Bollywood. So, for me, it's as a writer, I relate so much to the genres that we are collaborating in. So I'm really excited about that.
That's so exciting. We've got new artists as well coming aboard every year. Raftar, this is your first time being part of Royal Stag Boombox.
Yes.
How does the youth react to contemporary genres such as hip hop?
They go nuts about it. I think this year that's why you already had the Royals from Royal Stag. The gamers are the Stag. Me and Ika bring the boombox. Straight up. That's the vibe.
Yeah, that's really the vibe. So, Ika, your music is known for its raw energy, honesty.
We're stacking up.
Got it? सबसे माइक्स मांगो माइक्स दे दो माइक्स माइक सब चाहिए
अरे इनको भी
कहाँ देखना है? सेंटर